In this video, we are going to discuss derivation of kinetic gas equation. Kinetic gas equation KGE is based on kinetic molecular theory of gases. Kinetic molecular theory of gases. In the last video, we discussed 7 points. Based on those 7 points, we are deriving one mathematical equation, that is kinetic gas equation. Just take it one cube. Yes, in this volume, in this cubic volume, so many atoms are there. I am taking one atom from this surface to, it is directly going and hitting this container wall and coming back. Okay, this is just to assume only one particle is there. This one particle moving from left to right, hitting that surface and coming back. Okay, now, so in that case, see, first we have to know that how the pressure is rising. Pressure is rising due to collisions. What is the pressure? Pressure equal F by A. Pressure equal F by A. Force acting on a fixed unit area. Okay, force, how much force hitting on the surface per unit area, that is only pressure. Our intention is we have to calculate the relation between pressure and volume. Okay, now what is the force A? What is the A? A is the surface area. Surface area A equal to how much? It is A square, because this is the A length. So A into A, this is equal to A square hoga. F by A square. Now our main thing is F, we have to calculate. What is F? F is force. Force equal, here one formula is there, change in the momentum. Change in momentum upon time. This formula you have to remember. Change in momentum, ये physics में आता है. Change in momentum by time. What is the momentum? Generally mass into velocity, momentum. Here one particle is there, this particle is moving, that time mass, particle mass is m. It is moving in the x direction, so the velocity is u and x is indicating in one direction, x direction. So momentum is mu. Okay, after hitting the momentum I am taking in the negative. So we have to take in the negative. So the question is here, the change in momentum. Change in momentum means 2 mu होगा. Because plus 1 and minus 1 का deviation कितना होता है? 2. Like that mu, plus mu and minus mu. The change in the plus mu and minus mu is equal to 2 mu. Okay, 2 mu. I am writing here force. Yes, 2 mu. Ux. Then time. What is the time? So how much time it is taking from here to there? Again it's coming back. The distance क्या होगा इधर? 2a. Distance is 2a. What is the time formula? See, time equal distance per velocity. Distance per velocity. What is the distance here? 2a. How 2a? This particle is started from here, hitting this container wall and coming back. So total distance 2a traveled. And what is the velocity? Ux. Okay. Now, it is change in the momentum is 2 mu. It's fine. But total, if n number of moles are there, n number of molecules are there, in that case, the total momentum F total equal, total momentum is 2n mux upon time. Time का ये formula लिख दो, 2a by ux, total momentum on this surface A. Okay, I am taking is cap. This one is A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. एक surface है. Okay, on this x direction में this surface is there. On this plane, F force acting, equal to 2nmux by 2a and ux. Here 2 will get cancelled, then ux will go up, then I can write it nmux square by a. Is it clear? Two formulas. F force equal to change in the momentum, change in momentum equal to 2mux by time, time तो as it is time लिखा है. Then what is the time? Time equal to distance by velocity. Total distance 2a, velocity ux. These two values I am substituting here. वो n इसलिए आया था total. This one is for single particle. This n is all n molecules together force. Then see, this is the equation number 1 था पहले. We have to calculate P, pressure. Then P equals F by A. What is F? F means this value. I am writing nmux square by this one A into 1 by A square. 1 by A square. A into A square. That equal to होगा A cube. A cube means volume. That means nmux square by volume. I can write it. Right? In the next step, I will get it. PV equal nmux square. This is one formula. लेकिन here u velocity is only in x direction. But in the in this cube, the particle is, it can move in x direction, the y direction and z direction also. Okay, what about the velocity in the y direction? Obviously, ux equal to uy equal to uz होगा. Okay, total velocity, total u equal, I can write 3ux. That means क्योंकि total velocity means x direction plus y direction plus z direction. All three direction we have to add. So u equal to ux plus uy plus uz. That equal to 3ux. Are you getting? Still, if you have doubt, then I will write it. Total u equal to ux plus uy plus uz. That equal to 3ux. Right? Then ux equal to this u by 3. U by 3. It is the velocity. Again, we know that in the container so many molecules are there. All molecules velocity is not equal. Then we have to take average velocity. Average में 3 types of averages are there. Okay. In the 3 types of average, we are taking RMS velocity. Root mean square velocity. X is there. In place of ux, I can write u by 3. Then PV equal to capital N M U. Here u is RMS velocity I am taking. By 3. This is the final kinetic gas equation. Sorry, square. Right? ux के जगह पे u by 3 सब्स्टिट्यूट किया मैं. Relation between average kinetic energy and temperature. Average kinetic energy and temperature. The relation between average kinetic energy and temperature. See, average kinetic energy EK equal to half mv square. Here m means, capital M means total mass, but I can write here of capital N small m v square. V square means here nothing but u square. V and u chalega. So this is the equation number 1. Here capital M equal to small m into capital N also same, because all molecules mass is capital M, each molecule mass into N same होता है. Then already we know that this PV equal capital N M V U square by 3. By 3 means 1 by 3. Okay, so equation 1 को what I am doing here, I am doing 3 से, ठीक है, wait, we know that PV equal 1 by 3 N M U square. So I am taking here also this velocity U only, don't confuse. Then equation 2, see equation 2 multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Yes, then I will get PV equal 2 by 2 into 1 by 3 N M U square. See here, half nmu square, that means 2 by 3 into half nmu square is there. So this is equal to nothing but Ek. I can write it Ek 2 by 3 Ek. What is that Ek? Kinetic energy of gas. Then this is the PV. What is our intention? Relation between average kinetic energy and temperature. Since PV equal to nRT, PV equal to nRT, I can write it here nRT or RT. So per 1 mole I am writing here RT. RT equal to 2 by 3 Ek. 2 by 3 Ek per 1 mole. Per 1 mole. Right? So again relation between Ek. Then I can write it this one Ek equal to 3 by 2 RT also. Right? This is the relation between average kinetic energy and temperature. The 3 by 2 is the constant. Right? Okay. In the next video we can discuss some other topics. Bye.